This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning. There we go. There's my mic working. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. Looks like we've had some wonkiness going on overnight. I wonder if there was news here, right here. I saw some other wonkiness go. We'll have to check this out. So our high day on ES 58.69, our low around 58.50. It's about 19 points in range. Hey, good morning, Shark. How are you? Apple, how are you doing today? NQ's high 554. It's low, bouncing perfectly off that trigger point resistance there. 451 is about 103 points in range. Copper. This is the other thing I saw that went wonky. Copper just exploded up overnight, blowing through a whole bunch of resistance. And I forgot to move the yellow line all the way to the top. Looks like about 200 ticks in range. Ultra Bond falling overnight over a point. Gold went toward its all-time highs. Didn't quite get there. It's pulled back now. It's like about 19 points in range. Crude took off. Looks like about 135 points in range there. Natural gas coming down, trying to bounce. Bitcoin sitting at 71. Whoa, isn't that close to all-time highs? Let's look. Not that I have Bitcoin or anybody here follows Bitcoin. Well, looks like this was all-time highs back here, 73,835. So getting close to all-time highs on Bitcoin. Anyway, that's where we sit, stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take. Let's look at news overnight. Let's look at news this morning and overnight to see if there's something that hit. This morning, coming up here in just under half an hour, we have U.S. wholesale inventories, U.S. retail inventories. At 9 o'clock, we have U.S. Case-Shiller, U.S. House Price Index. 10 o'clock, we have the JOLTS report. We get jolted, as well as USCB Consumer Confidence. Let's see here. Let me look. I don't see. Let's see. Let's roll back. See if I see anything red that caused that big jump in certain things and things that get all wonky. I don't see anything, so I don't know. I don't know. So let's just trade. Let me see. Let me see. Our ATR's sitting around 5 and a little under 5.5. Pulls back. How's the trading and learning going, Apple? Morning, JC. How are you? Awesome. Definitely let us know how it goes. Take it very slow. You got this. Doing all right, JC? Little blue candle there trying. Back down. Purple. Thank you, JC. Appreciate that. Today, after stream, I'll be having a video coming out about. Oh, wow, whoosh. A fast track I'm pretty sure I'll have to deal with the fallout of that. Be fun. And I want to get the natural gas competition up and running. Not competition, challenge. It's not a competition. Oh, wow. Well, Patrick claims that he's giving up all prop firms and opening his own account come January 1st. That's what he said. Am I not logged in? I just took along, but no one's seeing it. Why is no one seeing it? Where am I logged in at? Apparently, I lost internet last night. It decided to log me in on a random. It's always fun. There it is. Yay. All right. There we go. Just in time for it to pull back after I was up 10 ticks. Right there below the 9. It can be interesting. He's not happy with Fast Track right now either. Let's pull this off here. And we got, let's see what we get. Start the morning off with 3 points. So $60. Good way to start the morning. Yeah, I took it off, Shark. Took 3 points out of it. Could have got 5, but that's okay. Everything I do is a scalp. Yeah, I mean, I rarely go for more than 10 points, and this time of morning it's usually more like 5 or 6. I could have got, looks like I could have got 10. Well, I could have got 10 here, but I was worried about it pulling back on me. And the first, if you wouldn't mind goring that like button, I would appreciate it. I want to thank everyone for their support lately. The channel's been growing. The amount of views of my videos has been absolutely wonderful. Okay, let's go. So dip down to 461. It's up 30 points since then. Thank you, Shark. I appreciate that. Trying to reclaim 2,500 here. 120500, not 2,500. That would really be a drop. Like it looks. This is the hourly chart. It definitely looks like we're bouncing off that Bollinger. Let's see. Still rising up. All right. Morning, Christy. How are you doing today? Sitting here right under 500. I am Christy. Thank you very much. Oh, Steve, welcome to the stream. I don't recognize your name, so I'm assuming you're new. If I've just forgotten you, then I apologize. I'm old. As for my thoughts, okay. As for my thoughts, I mean, I'm a super scalper going for like 5 or 10 points. So I kind of just go with the flow of whatever direction it's going in and then looking for the reversal of whatever direction it's going in. So, but looking at the 1 hour chart, I kind of feel like it's trying to, or it was trying to push back up. But we shall see. I play the minute chart, so I don't really look back that much. You're an NQ trader, Steve, and are you trading with the props? I ask new people questions. You can always tell me to shut up and mind my own business. People do on a regular basis. Awesome. Are you more of a long-term holder than a scalper? We have news coming up in about 6 minutes. We actually have news scattered throughout the morning this morning. Nice. I mean, 10 points for ES that's a pretty big move. Just got the official MightyOxTrading Christmas ornament in the mail. Watching. Purple candle. Whoops. Sorry about hitting that bell. Apologize for that. I need a dong. Blue candle trying to come up. I'm here, sitting here trying to remember what the heck I'm doing. I know I'm trading. Besides that, I mean, blue candle needs to get above the 9 before I want it. And it did not. Really like how the Christmas ornament came out. Morning, Chris. How are you today? Oh, yeah, nice little pop. I'm doing good, Chris. Pulls back. News. It's okay. So this news isn't really knocking our socks off. Let's see what's next. Took a picture of the Christmas ornament, but I don't like the lighting, so I'm gonna take. I'll have to take another picture later. Another blue candle, really small, right below the 200 EMA. It went away. Pulls back just a tad. So, first news of the day was not all that mind-blowingly amazing. Popping up. Blue candle again trying to pop. Right below the 200 EMA. 200 EMA sitting at 501. See how this finishes in 20 seconds. See if it stays blue. Of a blue candle for certain. We're long. Off the blue. May not go. It's a 6-point candle. Let's see if it just pulls back on me. The target at 10 points, but target's really the 200 EMA sitting there. So I'll move it there, but it looks like it might stop me out. This blue candle is finished below. You see the recent price action here. So it's probably a bad trade to get in on, but we'll see. Back to my entry. Another blue candle. There we go. Pulling back again. Got up to that same level that this candle got up to, 96.75, 96 half. Depending how this candle closes, we might just get out. Right now we're down a point or so. Candle closed weird. It's actually a blue candle and I'm in profit. So, oh, I didn't close yet. Why did I think it was closing there? Blue candle in profit. I'm going to stop up some. Oh, 5 point stop now. 4.5. There we go. Wow. Tar Target hit. Wow. There we go. We're 2 for 2 in the day. That was a 94 to 500 half, so 6.5 point trade. So that's 130 plus a 60 from earlier. So we're at 190 today on 2 trades. Thank you, Chris. And wow, so far it only went to my target and no further. Awesome, John. Nice to see you. Thank you, Jay. Yeah, Freddie Freeman's on a tear. Pulls back here the purple. Pulls back here a tag. Still hanging here. Sorry, I'm in a conversation on Messenger. It's sitting here 491. Yeah, John, I can't believe how much Aaron Judge has been a non-factor. How's everyone else doing? Anyone else taking any trades this morning? We have more news coming up at the top of the hour. I don't remember. I always keep saying I want to make a database of how markets move on news, but I never do. We have Case Shiller, U.S. Case Shiller, U.S. House Price Index. The the 10 o'clock news is our big news of the day. Jolts in U.S. consumer confidence. Good job being green, Shark. Nice, Chris. I need to change that Nightbot. Y'all checked out the MyFundedFutures milestone plans yet? We're choppy here as we head toward the top of the hour. Choppy. Just hanging on these EMAs. Still can't believe I got lucky on that last trade. Literally, my target was sitting at the. It did not go any further than my target, not one tick. Now, I did put the target right on the 200 EMA, so it was a perfect bounce off the 200 EMA there. But still, wowzers, as they say, wowzers. Mm, Purple candle's kind of enticing. Feels like it wants to come down here, but we've been choppy here in the set range and for the past 8 minutes or so. That's kind of a break. Froze on it and take it. Well, maybe good. We'll see if it comes back down now. Oops. Well, I took a short accidentally. I pressed the button. We'll see what happens. Not going to go for 10. Go for a 5. No. Coming back down with another purple. 30 seconds on it now. Whoops, back up. And the Bollinger Band's trying to go straight there instead of curve. I gotta get out in this candle close. Why not? Move our stop down to the top of that candle there. Let's see if it goes. Stop's now at 92, so it's a less than a 2 point stop. So it's either gonna give me something here or it's just gonna stop me up a little bit. Hey, visual trader, glad to hear you got it. It's gonna pop up and hit me. I have to go to. I could have got out for a couple of ticks. Oh, now I'm back down to break even. Now it's stopped out. There we go. A small stop there. That's okay. Told myself I should get in because it was choppy, and I had a chance to take a point or two, but I didn't because oh wow, look at that pop. Not sure where that came from. Back up to the 200 EMA because he ran the company into the ground, and they did that recent 65% sale to pay for the backlog. He canceled $10 million in payouts. Now they're threatening anyone that left 1-star reviews. Up there's a break upwards. I'm not sure. I'm glad I made my stop very tight there. I could have got hurt. Breaks the 200 EMA is now above it for now. And it comes right back down. Part of me wants to take that purple candle. Part of me says, maybe not. We'll watch it and see what it does. We'll learn from it. Pop back up. Second purple here. Still above the bad spot. I'm gonna drop. Ooh, there we go. Go, 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 go. Wow, snaps back. Snaps back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, sorry. Glad you got paid, Christy. That's very good news. Happy to hear about anybody getting paid. Putting my target back up to what I dropped down to, because that's been a resistance area. See if we can get that. There we go. We got it. Small win, but ended up being 2 3/4 points, so 11 ticks. It's probably gonna, yeah, it looks like it's dropping here, breaking that resistance, but I don't know. It bounced there once, so I was kind of hesitant. Basically, I got back that loss I took a few minutes ago. Probably too conservative there, but I don't think I was ever going to convince him of that. You know, I did really want that interview for a while, and then I thought, he's going to just try to manipulate the whole thing into making himself look good. And I could see, I mean, my goal was never to make it like argumentative. I'm not that style of a person to like, be all sensational. So I could see it, like breaking down and him trying to use the interview as a almost like an ad, kind of like Sage does in my Discord, or talk about everything that they're going to do in the future instead of what they've done in the past. Yeah, I mean, the thing is I wouldn't have let him just walk on me. You know, that's something that's changed about me in the last few years. So, I could see, I don't know. There was a potential for it to make us both look bad, I think. No, I mean, if he still says he wants the interview, I'll do it. We'll see what happens. But I think the video is coming out later today will blow that. What's going to be interesting to see if he uh, closes down my accounts. I do have 3 accounts with FTT, as well as my affiliate account, which I don't promote them anymore. I blacklisted them, but they owe me about about $600. See if they pay me out on that. Hung up on those EMAs again, as top of the hour news didn't really do anything for us either. Like I said, the big news will be at the top of the next hour. Thing is, I mean, I don't even go to their Discord. I find out everything that's said in their Discord by other people posting screenshots. Going to their Discord, I feel like I need to put on a hazmat suit. Thing is, though, Shark, I'm sensitive to the term scam. I honestly believe Scott didn't plan on scamming anybody. I I think he wanted to be number one and the best so badly that he tried to make the rules so easy and he ran the company into the ground by allowing people to flip as many days as they wanted and by getting all these things that are free for everybody like MotoWave and Nitro and level 2 data and all this other stuff and allowing people to, well, originally 40 accounts, one on an LLC, one on a personal. He wanted to be number one so badly that he ran the company into the ground. And there's a difference between a scam and just a badly run business. And I think in FTT's case, it was just a badly run business. And then he went out and he got drunk on power when it was all this money was coming in and he bought those cars, which was ill advised. And he's probably spent money elsewhere. So misappropriation of funds, but again, I don't think he did it maliciously. I think he honestly got just drunk with power. A scam, in my opinion, is something malicious. It's meant from the start to trick people, and I don't think that I really don't believe that's what Scott was trying to do. And I'm not sure if he would have noticed how bad it was without Sage. Say him hiring Sage was a brilliant idea. I jumped in on this blue candle, but I'm late. Let's see. I got in 5 ticks late, but let's see how it goes. I want to get back up to this high of 503. So if it was a scam, he would already be gone. He wouldn't be still trying to pay people out. He would have took his money and ran, and been somewhere else or whatever. He puts his name out there too easily. He wanted to be a number one. Can't break through this 200 EMA. Come on, give it to me, baby. Sorry. Moving my stop up tight underneath that last green candle. Doesn't break the 200 EMA, then it'll stop me out for about 3 points. Looking for this 503.75. Let's see if I can get my stop there. Boop, boop, boop. I'm moving my target there. 503.75 right there. Close. Got close. Up. Wow, look at that. Hit that band and pulled all the way back. I'll see if I can get something going with the live on Discord this weekend. See if I can figure it out. To do both at once without like blowing my mind. There we go. There's my target. So we got 5.25 points there. So we're 4 wins, 1 loss in the morning. We're up 291. And look at it go. Wow. I could have got 10. Bursting up here with about 20 minutes till the bell. And pulls back there. Got up to 511, turn back. A should be arriving soon. Nice pullback there. Should have probably taken that. That was a good setup right there. That was a very good setup. Giving it all back. Who's going to join us for our natural gas challenge? Also, a reminder if anyone's interested in trying to win a Flexytrade 150K direct to funded account, we're doing that on the Discord. Most entries I've ever seen on a giveaway. 127 people. My cat is saying good morning. Good morning, Speed Racer. Speed Racer is not my cat. What? How you doing, Speed Racer? Hey, Sid, how you doing? Awesome. That's a good sign. I mean, that's a good thing to hear, Speed Racer. Hey, Rod, how you doing? Morning, Platt. Good to see you didn't oversleep today. Morning, RJ. We missed you yesterday. Hey, Ace. Both aces? Oh, we have a pair of aces. It said, hope everything's okay, RJ. It's unusual for you to have an unexcused absence. Well, know that we worry about you when you don't show up. We're always worried that when someone doesn't show up, they're going to become another Vincent. Sorry about your Yankees, RJ. Vincent was a regular here. Ace remembers Vincent, um, who just he was he came every day and it was a very supportive. And then one day he just disappeared, and we've never heard from him since. I even found out his email and sent him an email with no response. I don't know if he died. I don't know if he hit the big one and moved to Argentina. I don't know if he was abducted by aliens. I don't know if he was hit by a train. Yeah, there we go. Bermuda Triangle. Yep. 10 minutes to the bell. Morning, Assad. How are you? Choppiness here. We do have news coming up at the top of the hour. My MightyOxTrading Christmas ornament arrived today. Looks pretty good. Sitting right under the 200 EMA, which is sitting at about 498 half. So as we headed toward the bell, we're 4 out of 5 on the morning, up 291 bucks. Yep, winter is coming. Actually, they went at 81 degrees here today, so winter's not coming here today. Then in like 2 days, they want it down to 36. We're just kind of sideways. Sideways. Sitting under the 100 EMA there, or yeah, the 200 EMA there, that little blue line. About 5 minutes to the bell. Remember, I think he gets a little wonky at 5 minutes to the bell. Wonky is a technical trading term. There's a little bit of a wonkiness. Cold, RJ. I thought Canadians wear shorts until it's like -12. Darn it. I need to get rid of all my stereotypes. So who's dressing up for Halloween? They went us down to 36 on Thursday, which really sucks. I kind of wish, the warm weather would have stuck around for kids to go trick-or-treating. I always hated trick-or-treating when my costume had to be covered by my coat as a kid. It's nice that the warm weather had stuck around one more day. Thinking about dressing up as Scott from Fast Track Trading. That's the scariest thing a trader can see. Yuckiness here leading into the bell. 1 hour chart. We're kind of blah, blah, blah. Dow's falling faster than anything else. Wow. What the heck just happened? Good. Where did that come from? It didn't think it was the bell, did it? What is going on? Look at this run. be really weird if like the first candle after the bell rings is like a point and a half. Yeah, I'm like, where did this come from? We have absolutely nothing happened in the last 15 minutes, and then whoop, and the Dow did absolutely nothing on that. Round and around she goes, where she stops and nobody knows. What's our high? High of the overnight, 554. I see it rising. 526. Ooh, and whoosh is back. Weird price action in the last few minutes. Oh, big rejection. Kind of like me with women. All the way back down. I thought about taking that short. I didn't. I regret that now. I had everything, all my setups. Ooh, where'd that yawn come from? Good luck, Ace. Where's your entry, Ace? Ooh, I'm seeing blue box. Yeah, I should have went short. I regret that now. Maybe I might like an ES trade. It's an interesting pop. Did you get two? Well, there you go. Everybody, yeah, easy for me to say. Everybody can be fed today. Ooh, still falling. Interesting. NQ is dead dropping, but ES really wasn't. NQ just broke through the trigger point. Wish I had taken that purple candle. All the setup was there. The only reason I didn't was because we were so close, after the bell. That's frustrating to me. It was actually the bell candle, so I almost never take those, but really, really wish I had. Still falling. It's a low a day. Oh, we're at a new low a day. Wow. Low a day was Fahrenheit 451. Now it's 435. It's like 421. There's a blue box. Blue on box. Yeah, yeah. Good call. Yeah, good call, Steve. Not sure why I'm here. tripping over my tongue. Folks, if you wouldn't mind, you have a moment. If you're not in a trade, can you gore that like button for me? Let YouTube know you're enjoying today's stream. Appreciate it. Still falling. So we hit a high of 526 and it dropped all the way down to 432. So almost a 100-point drop. Dropping a pop. Took the long there. Looking for 10. Right under the 9. Not giving it to me. Maybe it is. Hesitating. There it goes. 10 points. Off that blue candle. Hey, stay hard, Steve. What do you have to do with next gen futures? Yeah, I thought about it when I said it. Anyway, so make sure you bring your plants indoors, Ace. Oh, but I saw the announcement that thanks to you, they're keeping Fall 40 on till the weekend. You gotta go pick the last that's of tomatoes. Back up to the 9. But that was interesting because I got out there at 465 and only went up to 469 and then pulled back. It's going back up though. Still back now. It's back up to 9. Yeah. So many of them end up like rotten or they never ripen or all that. Split open. But gives you something to throw at local politicians. Remember, we have news coming up in 20 minutes. We get jolted. Falling. I got lucky on that blue candle. Oh, maybe not. Look at that, trying to bounce. Struggling to get through this area. We broke through the blue box ESOD's indicator on ES. Now it's trying to come back up. Well, stray snails need food too, Ace. Not real content with this blue candle here. Choppy before it. Perhaps they're allergic to citrus. Should have taken the blue. Hey, Ace, look at this. I took an ES trade on Top Step. I'm up 2.5 points. Oh, now it's pulled back. Now I'm under 2 points. Should have never showed you. Come on, go. Go back up. I want an ace special. I want an ace special. It's coming back to me. That sucks. Bounces solo. Going back up. Going back up. Nope. I should have taken it. I got greedy. Oh, here it comes back. There we go. Out. There we go. Ace special. 2 points. Thanks, Ace. All right. Meanwhile, NQ's moved up in that same time frame, 32 points, which would have been a $640 trade. $15 minutes till the top of the hour. We're hitting the 200 EMA here. Shouldn't have been too far back. I just got that ES trade. But always remember to hit your live buttons, folks, just in case the stream kind of lags on you. But wow, look at this move up now. What a bounce. We got down to 432 and we're all the way back up to 513. Pulls back a tad, right above right around 500. Back under. Nice trade, RJ. So, have you decided to stick with NQ now, RJ? Because I know last week you said you're just trading NQ to warm up for Friday. until our next joint stream. Nice pullback there after that green line. Look at that. Boom. Down, down, down. Have you given any thought of when we want to do the next one? Yeah, okay. Cool. Hmm. Is it popping or is this the last hurrah? Me too, although I think the last Thursday and Friday of the month are out. Your Thanksgiving was last month. Okay. Well, actually earlier this month. RJ, when you say good news, do you want to do like a CPI day? Did she miss the bus? Or he or whichever kid? Okay, good. Glad to hear that everybody made it. I've ignored these two blue candles just because they're right under the 200 EMA. I'm not sure it wants to go up here. That's nice. Maybe that's what the bus driver is trying to do, is to get some positivity going. It felt good, Ace. It felt good. Five's still good, RJ. Says the next CPI is November 13th. That is that is a Wednesday. And the blue candle's working. So I doubted it, but it worked. Rising back up. Yep. Remember, in just a couple minutes, we have our big news reports, our JOLTS report and our CV consumer confidence. And there we go. Pulls back. Same area. Got it to 516, and there we got the 519. I'm staying out though. I'm not going to enter here until after our news. Start spreading the news. Up to 520. Rising up. I see. And Q horizon. Whooshes down, whooshes up. Whooshing everywhere. Pops up to 542 high day. High day? No, still not new high day. 554 is high. Yeah, we're back to where we started. I've said news a couple of times. Hopefully you weren't in a trade, Ace. Okay, making sure. I didn't have to make a Ace shocked about news meme. Oh, that's right. I forgot about your whiteboard. Morning, William. How are you doing? Still trying to push upwards. At least I hope that goes for you, Ace. They're alive, William? Oh, really? I haven't even been following them. I wasn't even sure they were alive. I have them on my list, my master list. Are they legit, William? I haven't looked into them at all, really, except for visiting the website once. I gotta get back to next gen about an interview. I have to get back to Trade Shield about an interview. Right. Leo's blacklisted. I don't know enough about Savius, however you pronounce it, to blacklist him yet. Saw Alpha Futures launch some new plans. I am not sure what that is. I gotta look into that. Well, I have Greg looking into that for me. I don't think it's direct to funded, but I haven't looked. Goat. Have you ever heard of Goat Forex? They're coming out with futures next week. Alpha's been in the future space now for about 6 months, but really haven't done anything to make me want to really. I mean, I promote them, but I don't. There's just nothing special. So, but now they brought out new plans, and might be something worth promoting. How's your trading going today, John? Get your goal? About take any YM trades? Pulling back here a little bit. Yeah, it's a good idea. I know there's a couple that are planning on launching that I want to stay away from. I gotta be careful. I gotta watch. There's another Forex one that's supposed to be launching, and I can't even remember. Let's say I have the Discord here. Oh yeah, funding pips was supposed to launch funding ticks, but never did. Oh yeah, FXIFY is also launching. Excellent, John. Excellent. Yeah, you know what, William? I've had that opportunity to start my own, and it's just I don't want to, especially with the whole uh, regulation thing, right, coming in. You can say their name because I forget it, but I mean I know who you mean, but yeah. there any way to prevent the big losses, John? All right. Good luck, RJ. Nice move up there on NQ. I didn't take that blue candle. Should have. But I did take another ES trade. I'm not sure why. Took another ES trade on top step. It looks like I might get another two. There's two. That pulls back. There's one. I got to stop being greedy. Or I just need to hold the trade because it's probably going to go back up. Yeah, I think that's better setting. Still better than having a hole in the front. William, I'm waiting to the end of the week until my giveaway is done, and then I'll ask. I don't want to twerk them off before making sure my winner gets their prize. Good job, RJ. Pops right back up. Almost faked me out that purple candle, but it's coming back down, so maybe I do want it. There we go. I'm short off the purple. Up, it's bouncing back up. Stopped out. Okay. Well, that didn't work out. Should have not taken that trade. About 45 minutes left to go. Still green on the day even after that loss. I want it back. Put up. No, I will not revenge trade. If you haven't already, I appreciate if you gore that like button for me. Watching here. Can't decide where it wants to go. Hey, freighter. It's an interesting way of putting it, freighter. All in all, it's just another tick in the wall. And Q bounces back up. Wow, rising up. Is it going to get high day finally, which is 554? I think. Yeah, 554.75. Rises up 564. Pulls back to his new high day. Finally. Breaks high day, immediately pulls back. Ooh, right back up. Back up to 560. Rising. I see NQ arising. Got a long way to go to reclaim yesterday's high, which was 676. There's 570. There's 580. See, crude pulling back hard. Gold. Oh, wow. Gold. New high, new all-time high, I believe. Look at this run. 590. Hopefully that building wasn't Fort Knox, or else somebody's going to be in trouble. See, every time you talk about quitting it, it brings you back in. RJ. What was your entry, RJ? You have a moment. There's 600, or well, yeah, there's 600. Oh wow. Short on this. Oh, there we go. Quickly, I got my 10 points back that quick. That makes me happy. I'm a happy ox. Great trade, RJ. Great trade. Kind of wish I had stayed in for longer than 10 points here. Really weird. I've talked to myself internally and said I should, when I get into a trade, I should just, whatever happens with the first candle, let it happen. Don't touch it, and then decide if you want to continue to trade. If I had done that, this would have been 40 points. But I didn't. But I didn't. And the prop traders, after 15 minutes after this stream ends, be releasing a video about the about fast track trading and about their recent actions that could get them some trouble with the Federal Trade Commission and Trustpilot. I actually have that list of at least the ones we know for sure. Uh, neither. Well, Greg, my assistant, has posted it on the Discord, but no video on it yet. It's something I can do though. That's actually one of the secrets of content creation, William. You make a video, he's like, what prop firms have live accounts as of November 2024? And then, you make a new one in 3 months. Live prop firms as of 2025. Good morning, Crypticon. How are you doing? And Q turns on a dime, pushes right back up. Sitting here at 67. It's around that 70 area that RJ called out earlier. Yeah, blue candle here, but it's half wick, half body. Took the long. Hate it when it just doesn't go. There we go. Target hit. Boom. Yep. I agree with that, William. I need to do more videos, and I'm trying. I've been pushing out a lot of new videos lately. I also have some interviews I'm going to be doing. Just making slides for videos takes a long time. Tick tick is quick. MyFundedFutures is like the quickest on paying out. Sometimes people get it within 5 minutes. So in about 25 minutes to go on the stream. On the day, we are 7 wins, 2 losses, up 667. In the 2 days that I've been running this account, we are 15 wins and 5 losses, up $1,186. I could trade like that every day. I'd be a very happy ox. Oh, my funded futures on their starter and starter plus plans. It's 5 days of $100 in profit for the 50K. What and for everybody, once you're almost for everybody, I shouldn't say everybody. Once you're on live, it's every day if you want. Thank you, John. Sitting here around 570. Yeah, Absolutely. That way you're getting payouts, at different times and all that. You're allowed to have 15 live funded accounts across all prop firms. Down, up, down, up. Kind of got lucky on that long that I did there. It didn't go much further, only like 2 more points, and then came back down. I was lucky in longs. Yeah, that's all-time highs, I believe it, John. I didn't really look. Well, let me look. That's all-time highs. 2784. Remember, folks, you heard it here first. When gold was down at 1800, Sid Chase said we're going to 3000. Yeah, there you go. The 15. Yep. Yeah, and that's probably a big pain in the butt. I mean, especially I'm not sure there's any reason you need to trade more than 15. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I get you. Market's kind of cooled here. Cool hand Luke. How are we finishing up so far today? Red, green, or somewhere in between? Yeah, still sitting here. You're gonna be back on NQ tomorrow? Purple candle there. I don't know. And I didn't take it. Bouncing on the 20. It don't, no, not really. I wasn't really following stuff back then, probably. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's insane. So if this is where we end today, I'm happy. Remember, coming up at 11:15 Eastern, my video about fast track trading is coming out. Please remember to give it a thumbs up because I expect it to get attacked. Can it get up to 600? We did touch 600 earlier, right? Yeah, it did. That's right, 603. So RJ went wild. Hey, Shark, I thought you left. Thought you swam into warmer waters. Oh, look at this, continuing to rise. I wouldn't count on anything there, William. Wow, RJ, all you gotta do is say you're in, and all of a sudden the market just pushes higher. Got 598. Like, oh, quick flush back down. Touches the 9. Kind of interested, but not overtly interested. Went away anyway. But you didn't expect me to use the word like overtly today. Have a great day, John. We'll see you tomorrow. You get green out of it, RJ, though? Ah, I say have a good day, John. Then I was talking to RJ. Maybe I mixed your two names up. If I did, I apologize. Yep. Okay. Have a great day, John. We will see you tomorrow. I hope I don't either, because I'm not. I wouldn't know how to do that video. I would need a tax person to do that video. That's a good day, RJ. Where RJ wants to use NQ so badly and it keeps pulling him back in. So let's do our all day stream, RJ, on the 13th, and then you pick either the 18th or the 22nd for the London. I'm sorry, the 8th or the 22nd. Is that what I meant? 8th. Yeah, 8th or the 22nd. Boom, there it goes. 604. Um, the 8th or the 22nd. All right, we'll book it. And we've reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today as NQ continues to try and push up. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, for some more great trading action. Everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll see you then.